Hello.
Hello. It is me, the milk from last January. No one took any responsibility for me.
What?
I started a business. Want to buy a bicycle?
No. I want breakfast.
That's alright. I have a table for you on the top shelf.
What? No.
Or perhaps in the door. The view is excellent from there.
Claire? Is that your milk?
Maybe? Why?
It's talking?
No, not mine.
Could you shut the door? It's getting warm in here.
This is insane. I'm gonna throw you out. Ah!
Don't touch me. I live here.
Not for long.
I have rights.
Your milk!
So?
It's too early for this.
What the hell is this?
I'm getting some eggs. I'm making some...
No, they're my eggs now.
No, they're not.
Why are they in my living room then?
I put them there. I bought them.
What the hell?
My eggs!
Oh, no, you don't!
Ah!
I'll just get something on the way to work.